Hey, Jasper. Pete sent you something. Pete sent you this. What is this? What is it?
Moon.
It's the moon. What do you think?
Moon.
What is it?
Moon.
The moon.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
You want to see the moon?
Yeah.
Okay, there it is.
Yeah. Yeah.
Pete. Pete. It's from Pete.
Pete.
Yeah, good boy. What is it?
Moon.
What's this? Is it the moon?
It's hard to get him
Moon.
to do anything too healthy.
Good boy. Thanks, Pete.
He's already like, ah.
Say thanks, Pete.
Oh, he likes orange, eh?
Yeah, he loves
Thanks,
orange,
Pete.
He loves berries.
Say hi. Say hi, Pete, Ian.
Hi, Pete.
Say hi, Pete.
Hi, Pete.
Thanks, Pete.
Thank you.
Thanks, buddy. This is fantastic. Very thoughtful. Appreciate it.